In the bustling world of tiny creatures, ants stand out as incredible role models of diligence, teamwork, and perseverance. Despite their small size, ants achieve remarkable feats by working together harmoniously. Let us delve into the inspiring lessons we can learn from these industrious creatures and how we can apply them to our own lives. 1. Diligence and hard work. Ants are renowned for their unwavering work ethic. They tirelessly gather food, build intricate tunnels, and maintain their colonies. From ants, we learn the value of diligence and hard work. Just as ants stay focused on their tasks, we too should embrace a strong work ethic. By dedicating ourselves to our goals and consistently putting in our best effort, we can accomplish great things and achieve the success we desire. 2. Unity and cooperation. Ants demonstrate the power of unity and cooperation. They work together selflessly, combining their strengths and skills for the benefit of the entire colony. We can learn from ants the importance of collaboration and teamwork. By fostering harmonious relationships, communicating effectively, and supporting one another, we can overcome challenges more effectively and achieve shared goals. When we work together towards a common purpose, we multiply our efforts and create a stronger, more resilient community. 3. Planning and organization. Ants are meticulous planners and organizers. They chart out efficient routes to food sources and build their colonies with precision. We can adopt their approach by incorporating planning and organization into our lives. By setting clear goals, creating schedules, and breaking tasks into manageable steps, we can increase our productivity and efficiency. Ants remind us that strategic planning and organization lay the foundation for success, helping us stay focused and on track towards achieving our objectives. 4. Resilience and adaptability. Ants face numerous obstacles in their lives, such as changes in weather or the presence of predators. Yet, they exhibit remarkable resilience and adaptability. We can learn from ants to embrace challenges and bounce back from setbacks. By cultivating a resilient mindset and adapting our strategies to changing circumstances, we can navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease. Ants teach us that setbacks are not permanent barriers but opportunities for growth and learning. 5. Persistence and perseverance. Ants exemplify persistence and perseverance. They do not give up easily, even when faced with adversity. We can draw inspiration from ants to overcome obstacles and stay committed to our goals. When faced with setbacks, we should keep pushing forward with determination, learning from failures, and using them as stepping stones to success. By adopting the ants' unwavering perseverance, we can achieve our dreams and aspirations, no matter how challenging the journey may be. Ants, with their small but mighty presence, teach us profound lessons in diligence, unity, and resilience. By embodying their qualities of hard work, teamwork, planning, adaptability, and perseverance, we can create a meaningful and successful life. Let us embrace the spirit of the ant and transform our lives, one determined step at a time.